8 Ultimate Impact Effort Matrix Templates to make informed decision. Is managing projects and prioritizing things getting too complicated for you? How great would it be if there was a way to assist you in understanding what tasks require what kind of attention and energy? 1. Miro. Miro is a fantastic tool designed for teams and individuals to create charts, tables, maps, and more for planning and organizing things. 2. Lucidspark. Lucidspark is another design tool specifically created for productivity and work-related tasks. It features a simple UI and easy creation and editing of templates. 3. Canva. Canva is a design tool that can be used for all kinds of design needs. You can use it to make productivity charts like the Impact Effort Matrix, design logos, infographics, and much more. 4. Creately. Creately is a productivity design tool specifically made for businesses and organizations to handle organizational tasks such as creating an impact effort matrix template. 5. Groupmap. Groupmap is one of the best tools on this list for an impact effort matrix template. It combines the best of both worlds, i.e., designs and effectiveness. 6. Ayoa. Ayoa is a productivity map design tool where you can find templates for project flowcharts, graphs, matrices, etc. 7. Figma. Figma is a design tool that offers various templates for different types of maps and charts that organizations need for productivity and team management. 8. Venngage. Venngage is a freemium design tool used to make different design templates and graphics. The Impact Effort Matrix is a part of the business version of Venngage, which is the paid version of the tool. Conclusion. The Impact Effort Matrix is an essential practice to gauge the timeline and priorities for your work. To go with that, you also need an ideal template that works exactly the way you need it to. After using all of these tools, we found that you don't need to have high levels of customization to get a decent matrix template. Thanks for watching.